All right, this is Module 6, Lesson 5, Part 1. So I am on page 21 in your book. I'd like you to please follow along as I complete this page and help you through it. You need a pencil and a straight edge. All right, so we're going to use the coordinate plane that they've given right here to answer the questions. Now, number 1A says use a straight edge, so this is where you need a ruler or something, to construct a line that goes through points A, B. Label the line E. Okay, so I see the points the point A right here and the point B right here. I need to construct a line that goes through them and label it E. So I don't have a straight edge here. Please use a straight edge on your own. I'm going to try my best. Not too bad. All right, because it's a line, there should be arrows on the side. And I'm labeling this. Whew, that's supposed to be an E. There we go. Still kind of an ugly E, but you guys know what it's supposed to be. All right, it says line E is parallel to the what axis? Okay, remember, parallel lines are lines that are always going to be the same distance apart and they are never going to intersect. So this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. So if I think about this line, it would continue straight on through here, which means it is not parallel to the y-axis because it's going to intersect it, right? So it is parallel to the x-axis. It will always be this many spaces between the line E and the x-axis. So it is parallel to the x-axis. Then it says it's perpendicular to what axis? Well, I just showed you. Remember, perpendicular lines mean they cross or they meet to form a right angle. So where line E meets what the y-axis, it forms a right angle here, which means that it is perpendicular to the y-axis. All right, they want us to plot two more points on line E. Name them C and D. All right, it can be any 2 points. So I'm just going to call this one right here. It's going to be called C. And then I'll do this one. Oh, my dots are not very nice. This one will be called D. All right, easy enough. Now they want us to give the coordinates of each point below. All right, remember, with a coordinate, it's a pair. So you have the x first, comma, then the y. Always when you have a coordinate pair, it's going to be x, comma, y. All right, A. Where is A? Right here. So I'm first going to find the x coordinates. I'm seeing that my units here are going, or my, I guess, axis here is going by 5. So I just want to make sure that there are 5 spaces in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So every one of these is a whole number because it goes from 0 to 5 and there are 5 equal spaces. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Okay. So first we're going to find A. Moving over on the x-axis, I'm counting over 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the x coordinate is 3. And then I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is 3, comma, 4. All right, let's do B. I see B is past the 10. It's only 1 past the 10, which means it's 11. And then we count up 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 11, comma, 4. Ooh, that's supposed to be a 4. Sorry, guys. I haven't mastered the art of using the drawing tools on Microsoft Word. All right, I want you to find the coordinates of C and D on your own. All right, for C, you should have gotten, I hope you paused the video. For C, you should have gotten 5, 4, comma, 4. And then for D, you should have gotten, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 4. All right, so they're asking, what do all the points of line E have in common? Well, if you look at each coordinate, they all have what? They all have a y coordinate of 4, which makes sense because it's parallel 4 units away from the x-axis. So all have a y coordinate. Oof, sorry again. This is just not looking nice. Y coordinate. I need one of those pens. I need like an iPad and then one of those pens that you can write on. I'm using a trackpad. It's not nice. Y coordinate of 4. All right. Give the other coordinates, or I'm sorry, give the coordinates of another pair, another point that would fall on line E with an x coordinate greater than 15. Well, we know the y coordinate is going to be 4. It has to be 4 because it needs to fall on this line. So they're asking if it were to extend all the way over here, keep going past 15, what could be another point? So really you could do any number greater than 15. So let's say 15 was all over here, 16 came here, 20 all the way over here. It could be really any x coordinate as long as the y coordinate was 4, it would fall on that line. So I'm going to just say 17. But again, anything greater than 15 could go here. All right, that's your lesson for today. You're going to do page 24 on your own.